Well, this guy's happy it's cold, but I am not. It is -7 degrees. It is literally freezing, and I have to go take care of my sheep, and I'm pretty sure that I am going to have a baby lamb within the next couple days. And I am praying that I do not have a baby lamb tonight because it is cold. So, we're gonna go ahead and give them some grain. My sheep are getting a 15% protein pellet and oat mix. Like I said, I'm about to have some lambs. It's cold out, and yeah. Okay. I don't want to go to the barn, but let's go. My dog is loving this weather. There's some sheep. The one in the back, the brown one, I think is going to have a lamb next to the spotted one. Okay. Alrighty. They've got their grain. This one also, I think, is going to lamb here soon. But like I said, I'm just praying that it's not tonight. It's so cold. The most satisfying noise in the world is definitely walking in the snow when it's this cold. Stay warm. Okay, it is about 14 degrees, so better than -5 last night, or 7, or whatever it was. I can't get the door. Everything is literally froze. That's great. Okay. Anyhow. I almost fell. So it's still cold out here, but not as cold as it was last night. So I will be okay with that. Now, bad news to all this. All of our water tubs are frozen solid. So now I have to go around, break all the water tubs, do all of that fun jazz. Oh. Yep. So I gotta fill up that one and not even touch this one. This is just... Like, seriously? I will say it is crazy looking back at my older videos because the fact that we had a ton of cows up here. We butchered, I think, 13, maybe 10 or 13 steers this year, which was amazing for us, and now we pretty much have an empty barn. That's all we have up here now for this coming year. So yeah. Alrighty. It's like, where? There it is. Oh, it's heavier than it looks. Okay. Let's go down and... Oh, it's warm down here. Nice. It is super warm down here. Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and turn the water on. I'll turn the valve off. Not even froze. I can't beat it. Alrighty. We shut this door and keep it warm. The absolute worst part about winter is I have to pee. I have a lot of layers on. It doesn't go very well. This is not at our house. This is down the road. We have two farms, two barns. So that house, no one lives there. So therefore I can't use the bathroom in there. It's not our house, so that sucks. Oh, I have to pee so bad. Okay. Go ahead and get this water running here. Maybe. I hate winter. I hate it so much. It's the worst. Puppy! Good boy. Okay. Cows finally have water. Now it's time to go shut the water off. We started using a protein cube. It is 20% protein. We're gonna try it out and see how it does here. Reason being is they're not out foraging on any grass during the winter. I'm out of breath. So we're gonna try that out and see how that goes. The cows really seem to like them, so that's all that really matters. Barn cats are staying warm. Hi, kitty, kitty, kitty. Alrighty, now we're headed back home. We're gonna go give the sheep hay, some grain, and probably some water because their tub is probably frozen too. Alrighty, I'm not gonna record any of that because I already did last night and it's freezing. My fingers are so cold. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.